Hello and welcome to another episode of Transmute Yourself Minis, where you can get inspiration to find your inner peace. Today, I want to talk about the quote that says, "Stress comes from being here but wanting to be there," by Eckhart Tolle. I remember many times when I have been typing on my computer something for school or work, for example, focused on one task while realizing that a little part of me or of my mind is elsewhere, seeking for the next task or hurrying up because time is short and I need to make the best out of it. Already thinking of the future, right? Or back then when I used to go to random meetup events in Frankfurt, where I would meet with a group of people and stay speaking with them while my eyes were checking another group and thinking that maybe I would be having more fun with them. Has that ever happened to you? Well, the more that I talk to people about their inner world, the more I have come to realize that this is actually a common human behavior. However, as Eckhart said, as a continuation of the previous quote, the fact that everyone else is doing it doesn't make it less insane. I understood that this misalignment between the present moment and where our minds are traveling is the main source of stress and anxiety. So by doing so, we do not honor the people in front of us. We do not honor the moment where we are, neither the task nor life itself. Such a state of mind reduces the joy of living along with the quality of our own actions. Recognizing the problem is the first step towards solving it. If we realize that the only moment that we have is the now, we can start honoring whatever it is that we're doing. If it goes against your values or if it's something that you really don't like, then remove yourself from it. But staying with your body in one place, doing one task, while your mind is traveling in deep space, that in-betweenness, where we are neither here nor there, that's definitely fueling the cycle of stress and anxiety. Thus, next time that you catch yourself trapped in this twilight zone where you're neither here nor there, just take a deep breath, see what's in front of you, and focus your full attention on the present moment. You will be rewarded by peace, joy, productivity, and a proof that old patterns can be broken. This has been today's Transmute Yourself Minis. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, I invite you to like the video, to subscribe to my channel, and to share it with others in social media. I'll see you soon.